What if 3 tiny buttons on your desk could join your meetings, control your AI agents, and automate your dev workflow without you touching your mouse? That's the idea behind Dune, a new AI-powered keypad from Project Mirage, and it might be the first piece of hardware truly built for the AI era. Dune is a small, premium metal keypad with just 3 physical keys that plugs into your Mac. Instead of fixed shortcuts, it uses AI to detect what app you're using and then changes what those buttons do automatically. So the same 3 keys feel different in Zoom, in your code editor, or in your browser without you manually switching profiles. In meetings, Dune turns into your meeting remote. One tap to instantly join Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. Plus hardware buttons for mute and camera, so you never hunt for the right tab again. You can even tie a button to an AI note taker, so every important call gets recorded and summarized without you remembering it. When you jump into coding, Dune detects your editor and remaps. Run tests, open PRs, trigger your AI code review, or fire custom scripts. It's like a programmable macro pad, but context-aware and AI-aware, so it always feels on the same page as what you're doing. Most of us are drowning in powerful software, but still stuck with 40-year-old keyboard and mouse habits. Dune is an early peek at a different future. Physical controls that understand your context and speak the same language as your AI tools. If this kind of AI hardware excites you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. If you had just 3 buttons on your desk, what would you make them do? To know more about this interesting startups and tools, follow trillionstech.ai.